Anatomy of candlesticks. A candlestick looks like this. It has 4 important parameters. So, open of the candle, close of the candle, high of the candle, and low of the candle. A candlestick normally represents the price movement during that particular time period. That means if the candlestick, this candlestick is of 1 minute, this represents how price moved during that 1 minute. So let us say the price opened here, it went down till this point, and then the bulls were successful in bringing back the price up higher till this point. Then price dropped to this point and finally closes here. If you observe here, the open of the candle is less than the close of the candle. So that means the price moved higher during this particular time period. That means the bulls or the buyers were more powerful than the bears or the seller. That's why this particular candle is called as bullish candlestick, or it is represented by a green color usually. So apart from this, this candle has few other attributes like the body of the candle. If you see this green portion here, this green portion is called as body of the candle. This line is called as wick of the candle or shadow of the candle. This is the lower wick, this is the upper wick. Let us take an example. Let us say the price opened here at 100 rupees. It went down till 90 rupees. Then the price went up till, let's say, 200 rupees. Then price drops to, let's say, 190 rupees and closes at 190. So close is at 190, open is at 100. So open is less than close, price moved higher. That's why it is a bullish candlestick. Now if you look at this candlestick, it is very similar to the previous candlestick, except the open here is higher than the close. That means price opened up, but then it went down till this point and came up and finally closed here. So open is greater than close. That means price dropped during that particular time period. That means the bears or the sellers were more powerful compared to the buyers or the bulls. That's why they were successful in bringing the price down during that particular time period. That's why this candle is called as bearish candlestick. Bearish candlestick represents a drop in price. Bullish candlestick represent a rise in price.